In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert colors in Canva. If you've ever wanted that striking negative photo look, to quickly flip light to dark for contrast or to create a bold, high-impact background from a regular image. This simple technique will do the trick in just a few clicks. Start by opening your design in Canva. Make sure you are in the project where the image lives, whether that's a social post, a presentation slide, or a thumbnail. Once your canvas is open, click on the image you want to edit, so it's clearly selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it. If the image is part of a group, consider ungrouping temporarily. So you are definitely editing the photo itself and not a surrounding frame or text. With the image selected, look to the toolbar at the top of Canva and click Edit Photo. This opens the photo editing panel with everything you need. If you don't see Edit Photo, double-check that you are working with a photo or raster image. Some graphic elements, like vectors or icons, may not show the same options. Inside the editing panel, choose the Adjust tab. This is where all the fine-tuning lives, from brightness and contrast to saturation and more. We're not applying a filter here. We're making a direct adjustment so you get precise control over the look. Now scroll down to the color section within Adjust and find the Invert option. Toggle the Invert switch on. Instantly, you'll see your image flip its colors. Blacks become whites, blues turn to oranges, and so on, giving you that dramatic inverted effect. If you are experimenting, try toggling it off and on to compare before and after. Because this adjustment is non-destructive, you can always undo it with the toggle, or use the standard undo shortcut if you change your mind. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If the invert toggle isn't appearing, confirm you've selected a standard photo layer. Elements like shapes, text, or certain vector graphics won't have the same photo editing options. If you want to keep your original image for comparison, duplicate the image on your canvas first. Then invert the copy. And if you are working on mobile, the same controls are available, just open your image. Access the editing options, go to Adjust, and look for the invert toggle in the color section. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.